In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Wattpad app on your PC or laptop. The first thing what we need to do is go ahead and open up Microsoft Edge. If you don't have that, go ahead and download and install it. Now, once we've opened up Wattpad on Microsoft Edge, from here we need to navigate to the three dots in the top right hand corner of the page, and then scroll down, hover over more tools, and then click into apps. Now, where it says apps, it's going to give you the option where you can install this site as an app. So we can install Wattpad, where story lives. We can change its name if we like. Then from here, click on that blue install button. Then from here, that's going to automatically install onto your PC or laptop. Now from here, we've got a few different options. We can allow this app to pin to taskbar, start, create desktop, or auto start on device login. So choose which one, then click allow. Now, if I just get out of this, if I go back to my desktop, now if I scroll down, we can see it's pinned to the taskbar. If I click on Wattpad, it's going to open up. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe.